We can hear the cursing now, the yelling and swearing from the 16-bathroom Montecito mansion are bound to be loud. Harry has been exposed as a liar in a court of all places. First, Meghan purges herself during her privacy case and then she wins on a technicality. Now her husband has been outed as having never said he would pay for security when over in the UK. According to a royal correspondent, a recent Home Office statement contradicts Harry's request to fund his own security when he returns to the UK. Matt Wilkinson, royal correspondent at The Sun, tweeted last month, after the Mail on Sunday broke the story. A spokesman for Harry responded with, "The Duke first offered to pay personally for UK police protection for himself and his family in January of 2020 at Sandringham. That offer was dismissed." However, Mr. Wilkinson then said, the Home Office had strong words in response to Harry's claims he would fund private security in documents handed to the court. The Home Office states, Harry did not offer private funding when he returned in June 2021 or any of the pre-action correspondence which followed. Moreover, according to Robert Jobson, a royal correspondent has said on Twitter that Harry hasn't shown respect to Priti Patel, the Home Secretary, let alone his grandmother's government. "We don't all have famous grandparents, the Home Office is within its right to tell what happened." Home Office lawyers then explained to court on Friday that it was irrelevant for the Duke of Sussex to ask to pay for his own security in the UK. Robert Palmer QC, acting for the Home Office, said, "Personal protective security by the police is not available on a privately financed basis. It does not make decisions on the provision of such security on the basis that any financial contribution could be sought or obtained to pay for it." Now the Home Office is calling him out on not being truthful. When is this madness going to end? It is not clear why the Duke thinks he is at more risk in Britain than in the US. The government there has likewise refused to provide the family with taxpayer-funded protection across the US. The murder rate in 2020 was 7.8 per 100,000 people in California. It was 5.5 up from 4.2 the year before. In England and Wales, the murder rate for 2020-2021 was 1.01 per 100,000 people. Ms. Fatima said, Harry had tried to avoid going to court by asking the Home Office to use alternative dispute resolution, a type of mediation, before issuing the legal claim. America is well known for its school shootings, Columbine, Virginia Tech, Sandy Hook. There was even a case in the early 2000s where a 6-year-old child killed one of their classmates, becoming the youngest reported school shooter in US history. A similar case occurred roughly 13 years later in 2013. The Home Office has every right to call Harry out. The UK is safer than the US by a long shot. There will be a Thanksgiving service to honour Prince Philip at Westminster Abbey on March 29, after his death last April. Sadly, Harry may miss this special occasion because of his legal battle against the UK government over his security measures. In fact, there are also rumours that Meghan Markle has no plans to return to the UK and she doesn't care about what the British people will say. Royal biographer Tom Bower claimed the former actress thinks Britain is a lost cause and doesn't want to come back as her popularity allegedly declines. He told the mother of two's destination is unclear, though she seems to have a future as a politician in the US, Bower added. He suspected Meghan Markle no longer cares if she's still welcome in London, as she reportedly has no intentions to return to Harry's home.